I'll show you today how you can make over €5,000 with this hoodie. First, go to Etsy and type winter sweater into the search bar. Then we find this example here. A total of 13,800 pieces of this retro Christmas winter hoodie were sold for a price of €29.18. This means the seller made over €400,000, and that's only if the 50% discount was applied permanently. Now, you're probably wondering, how can you do the same? First, we go to ChatGPT, take a screenshot and paste it here. Create a description for a similar design. I want to use this prompt to create a similar design for a sweater in an AI tool, Canva. Then we let the AI generate the prompt for us. It only takes a few seconds. We copy the prompt, go over to Canva and paste it in. Canva then shows us several different design options. We choose one, select this one for example, and download it. Then we go over to Printify and create a print-on-demand account. We simply create a new product, choose where the design should be placed, and then set a price for the product. Then we go back to Etsy and connect our shop. And now we can start making money. If you want to learn more, for example, how to trend at the top of Etsy and sell even more, then check out the description.